Do you run a car wash, workshop, depot, or fuel station and forecourt in South Africa? If you discharge oily wastewater or runoff and you don't have your oil water separator cleaned and maintained regularly, you could be breaking the law without even realizing it. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Trevor Whitaker from Crystalmount. We specialize in environmental compliance services, including full oil water separator cleaning. Today I'm going to show you why this service isn't optional, it's often legally required. And if you're non-compliant, you risk serious fines, environmental damage, and shutdowns. Now, an oil water separator, or OWS, is a device designed to strip out oils, grease, hydrocarbons, and sludge from wastewater before discharge. This protects municipal drainage systems and local waterways from pollution. If a business discharges oily wastewater, for example, from washing vehicles, cleaning oil parts, or from petrol station runoff, the oil separator ensures that only clean water is released. Without it, or if it's poorly maintained, oil and contaminants can slip through, polluting the sewer or storm water system. In South Africa, proper installation and maintenance of oil water separators must comply with SANS 50858 parts 1 and 2, the standard for separator design, installation, operation, and of course, yes, the maintenance. Now, SANS 10400P, which governs drainage and sanitary wastewater discharge as part of the national building regulations, will also apply. Now, that means businesses must ensure separators are correctly sized, correctly installed, and regularly serviced to meet discharge standards before wastewater leaves the property. If oil water separators are ignored, here's what can happen. Sludge and solids accumulate, reducing separator capacity and, of course, efficiency, meaning oil may get through. Also, overflow or bypass issues. Direct discharge of contaminated effluent, which risks damaging sewer, stormwater infrastructure, or the environment. Also, regulatory non-compliance. There are potentials for huge fines, shutdown orders, or legal liability. Here's something you may not know. Municipal authorities have the mandate to enforce drainage and environmental compliance under building regulations and the environmental laws in place. Operational risks? Well, blocked drains, flooding, sanitation issues, reputational damage for businesses like a car wash, workshops, estates, etc. Your business needs professional OWS cleaning if you fall into one or more of the following categories. Here we go. Vehicle wash bays, car wash shops, fleet washing facilities, auto repair workshops, maintenance and service depots, fuel station forecourts, industrial facilities with oily runoff or trade effluent. Here we go, we continue the list. Commercial properties with underground parking or garages draining to municipal sewer stormwater drains. Now, even if you installed an OWS a few years ago, you still need regular cleaning and maintenance, of course. It's not a set and forget install. At Crystalmount, our OWS cleaning service is full cycle. We pump out and remove all oil, all sludge, and all sediment. We clean the coalescing media and internal and internal plates. We flush and recharge the draining system, and we dispose or recycle waste responsibly, all in compliance with SANS and DFFE standards. We also provide maintenance scheduling, service certificates, regular inspections, and compliance documentation, so you can prove your system is serviced, valid, and legal. If you run a facility with oily wastewater, or you're not 100% sure your oil water separator is compliant or clean, contact us today for a full inspection and cleaning quote. Don't risk fines or environmental liability. Click the link below, send us your site details, and let's get your drainage system compliant and safe. Crystalmount, protecting your property, protecting the environment. Subscribe for more industrial compliance tips and building maintenance advice.